free motion epic leg press. Sit yourself in the machine with your back planted, hold on to the handles. Make sure the heel of your foot is planted firmly against the platform. Lift the weight from the support and with your right hand and pull that handle. This removes the support from underneath the machine. Now the support is out of the way, I can come down nice and low, get a nice tight bend in my legs, and then push back up again through the heels of my feet. Down and up, down and up. Once I'm finished, I go back to that handle, I push the handle down, that returns the safety bar, and I can put the weight back and take my legs away.